This is Shi Zhe Ting for Sprint 4. Sprint 4 achievements. As a missile, I want to hit the enemy so that the alien will fall. As a missile, I want to have an exploding radius so that the alien will be hit. And as a missile, I want to drop downwards so that I know that I'm dead. Acceptance criteria. The missile can come into contact with the alien. The missile causes the alien to fall. The missile can hit on any of the alien to cause the group to drop. Acceptance area. For as a missile, I want to have an exploding radius so that the alien will be hit. The missile explodes to form a magenta explosion effect. The missile explodes at a radius size of 3 from point of target. The acceptance criteria. For as a missile, I want to drop downwards so that I know that I'm dead. The alien drops downwards 5 pixels at a time. The alien moves downwards to the bottom of the screen. The aliens move together simultaneously. Show you my program. It's the aliens moving, and they'll form to create that.